An Able Seaman Deck is a key crew member responsible for a range of deck duties, including 1. Watchkeeping and navigation, standing lookout and assisting with navigation tasks. 2. Deck maintenance, cleaning, painting, and repairing the deck and surfaces. 3. Cargo handling, loading, unloading, securing cargo, and operating cargo equipment. For shipboard safety, participating in emergency drills and assisting with firefighting and first aid. 5. Equipment maintenance, checking and maintaining deck gear and marine equipment. 6. Mooring and anchoring, assisting with mooring, unmooring, and anchor operations. 7. Environmental responsibility, ensuring proper waste disposal and pollution prevention. 8. Security duties, monitor the visitor's embarkation and disembarkation. Skills required: physical fitness, seamanship knowledge, and the ability to work well under supervision. In summary, an AV assist ensures the safe and efficient operation of the ship, performing both physical and technical tasks.